Hi, my name is Kushboo. My twins are studying over here, Ishan Jain and Ishita Jain. I'm having a great experience in the school actually. Both of them have grown so well. They do their activities by themselves. They have become very independent and they enjoy going to school. That's the main part. I had a fear that, okay, they'll cry and I don't want to go and all that, but nothing such happened. They had a proper way of organizing us to leave the child successfully without any cry or messy things, but it was a very good thing. And they are like self independent now. That's the best part. They do their work, they have learned so much, eat by themselves, do their clearing up the toys and everything. They're learning from the school, of course. So that's the best part, which I couldn't make them do. The school is doing. So that's what a parent wants. I'm really happy with the school, and yes, we are continuing. That's why. That's it. Good one. Good school. I actually checked online. I had a good review. So I wanted to check myself, and we came over here. We joined the starting, the way they, introduced the parents and the child to the school. They allowed the parents for some time so that the child becomes comfortable with the environment and everything. And then slowly, gradually, they increase the time for the kid with leaving the parent. So that's how the child also got adapted. And now they happily go. I don't have to like struggle in the morning. No, no, you have to go to school. Like, that doesn't happen with me now. Yeah, that's how it is.